Okay, so in the past week, this week, I'm doing this video over the weekend. So the past week, I took a total of 3 trades: GBP JPY, USD JPY, and gold. Okay, now let's talk about this trade. There's something I need to just communicate. This trade, GBP JPY, I closed around 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. This is a total of 1 to 3, but I end up closing around 1 to 2.5. This one was a stop loss. The gold, I will assume this gold was also a stop loss because I got another entry and I've transferred the risk, so and it's now in drawdown, so I'll just count this also as a stop loss. So let's say in the total of 3 weeks, total of 1 week, I was able to cash 3 trades. Okay, so now 3 trade, 1 win, 2 loss, and I'm still profitable. How? This is when risk management comes to play. Okay, this is one thing that I later started discovering in the course of my trading journey, and I want you guys to also take advantage of it. Let your risk be uniform on a particular account. If you are trading an account, if I'm risking, let's say, a certain amount, let's say for instance, the account I'm trading, I decide to be risking like $100 or $1,000 per trade, it's not going to change no matter how sweet the setup is. So now 1 to 3 risks to reward, let's say I close at 1 to 2.5, I'm already like 2.5% profit. Let's even say I'm risking 1% now, I'm already like 2.5% profit. The second trade I lost it, the third trade I lost it, I'm still profitable with 0.5%. So some people, as you are growing up in trading, you're gonna be like, oh, this setup, too clean, too sweet, now can better loss size. My brother, never get to that turn. Oh. When we don't reach those levels of Abby, Jeffrey, Dax, all those top forex traders, you can be doing all, even at that level, you even be more disciplined than this. So you might have an account that just want to flip, but at this stage, you have a professional account and you have a discipline. In fact, discipline will have, you'll be making funny decisions. So as a matter of fact, for me, the week is profitable for me. I took 3 trades, 1 each TP. If I allow that trade to hit TP, it will have just 1 to 3. But let me just say 1 hit 1 to 2.5, and I had 2 losses, and I'm still profitable for the week. That is how it should be for a trader. Okay, so it is not only about, it is not only about strategy, technicals. There is more to risk management. There is more to psychology. Let's leave that for weekend. Enjoy your weekend. By Monday, we'll start officially. We enter the market, and of course, with discipline, with consistency. Let's kill it!